Okay, this is a video just in case you're messing with the display and you're like, oh my gosh, what did I just do? I'm gonna power it on. Now it's on. So let's say, you've gone in there and you've messed something up. There's all kinds of gear differentials. There's a lot of stuff you can do in here. So if you did mess something up, you can come in here and you just hold down the minus button and the I button. You hold that down and then you'll see it go to default. In for no, or you push the up thing for yes. So if you want to switch it back to the factory defaults, all you do is then click the I button. So if you recall, we made the setting changes to 0 through 5. If I hit this, you will now see that the default is back to 1 to 3. Or I should say 0 to 3. No longer 0 to 5. So now we've put everything back to the factory default. So if you ever make a mistake, just do that and you can undo anything you mistakenly did.